Interested in adding contacts on your WhatsApp from your iPhone or Android device? Look no further. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of adding new or existing contacts to your WhatsApp. So let's dive right in. To add contacts, open up the Dial or Phone app, go to the Contacts, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Enter the contact's first and last name, add the phone number, and tap Done to save the number. Now go back, open WhatsApp, tap on the pen icon at the top right corner, search the name that you have recently saved. Now tap on that name, and the WhatsApp chat will appear. Now you can send the text to add the contact to the list. So this is how you can add contacts on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.